In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix links not opening on X or Twitter account. Let's get started. First, launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Here, navigate to the option settings and privacy. Then head over to the option accessibility, display and languages. Inside the section, tap on display. And here you will find an option related to the web browser. Look for use in app browser. If this option is turned off, links may not open properly. So make sure to turn this toggle on if you want links to open within the app. If you prefer opening links in an external browser, you can also toggle this setting accordingly, but make sure it's configured correctly, otherwise links may fail to open. After adjusting this setting, go back and try opening a link again and they should now work without any issues. And that's it. This is how you can easily fix links not opening on X or Twitter account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.